Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that your AI agent has already applied to 50 jobs for you, automated your business operations, generated YouTube videos, and even invested in stocks, all while you were sleeping. It sounds futuristic, right? Think again. The AI gold rush is here, and those who take advantage of it right now will be the ones profiting the most in the next few years. AI agents and DeepSeek AI are transforming how people earn money, build businesses, and also create passive incomes. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of this opportunity. So, whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or content creator, or even investor, or someone looking for passive income, this guide will walk you through step by step on how to make money using AI agents and DeepSeek AI, even if you have zero experience with AI. So in today's video, we are diving deep into AI agents, what they are and why they are the future, how they work in real-world scenarios. You learn how to spot profitable AI agent opportunities before they go mainstream and also explore multiple ways to make money with AI. So whether you have coding skills or not, we'll break down 6 proven methods to earn using DeepSeek AI and discuss smart investment strategies to help you back AI projects while avoiding scams. I'll walk you through building an AI-powered passive income business and creating AI video avatars to monetize YouTube using DeepSeek AI. Finally, we will cover the strategies to scale your AI business and maximize your profits in this growing industry. Make sure to watch till the end. These live demos could be your game changer. You need to start earning with AI today. So let's get started. Before we talk about how to make money using AI, let's first understand what AI agents are and why they are such a game changing. So if you have used ChatGPT, Google Assistant or Siri, you already know that AI can generate text, answer questions and assist with tasks. But AI agents can take it a step further. They don't need to just provide answers, they take real world actions on your behalf. AI models are the brain versus AI agents are the brain plus body. To break it down, here's the difference. AI model, which acts as the brain, these include ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek AI. They generate text, answer questions, and provide insights but do not take real-world actions. AI agents are the brain plus body. AI agents go beyond just thinking. They click, type, automate workflows, and make decisions. They act just like a human assistant would, but 100x faster and more efficiently. So let's get started. Okay, so now let's look at a real-world example of an AI agent at work. Let's say you're looking for a job, but you don't have the time to apply to multiple positions manually. Here's what an AI agent could do for you. It will automatically log into your job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and it will find the job listing, matching your skills and experience, and then it will automatically apply to all the related jobs. So let's look at one such tool over here, which is Auto Apply. Let's see how it does it. Alright, so here as you can just simply write your description over here, whatever job description you want to, and then you can just select on this click resume. So it will create a resume in such a way that you can apply in different job posting, autofill application, submit them automatically. So, okay. So this is how autoapply.com works actually. Let's look at the another tool on our list, which is aiapply.com. Okay, so this is another tool known as AI Apply Dashboard. From here, you can just simply upload your resume. So as you can see, I have just uploaded my resume here, and it will actually analyze my resume and it will create a base template. And then you can just simply provide all the essential information you want to. And see, here we are redirected to this page over here, and you can also create your customized cover letters for each job posting. You can also track responses from recruiters and notify them for interviews. See, here is an option known as Auto Apply. So it will also maintain a track. Okay, for this you have to actually pay by subscription. So we're looking for the free tool over here. So I haven't saved anything, and you can also save your job. We have another option as Interview Buddy, which is a Chrome extension which will help you answer questions confidently. So this is why AI agents are the future. They save time, effort, and money, making them a powerful tool for earning income. So now let's talk about how to spot the next big AI agent opportunities before everyone else. So now that you understood what AI agents are, the next step is to find profitable AI agent opportunities before they go mainstream. Many people miss out on early stage opportunities simply because they don't know where to look. So basically, you can just go on Google Trends, and from there, you can actually search for terms such as, let's suppose you're searching for AI agents from here, and we will just see what is the situation of this particular term, how many people are searching for this for the past 12 months, or maybe for the past 7 days. Let's check the graph. Okay, so this is the graph for the past 7 days. As you can see, it is at all-time high here, February 17. See, this is at 9:30 a.m. All right, this is February 13. Okay, let's suppose we are checking for the past 30 days. So this is the graph for this thing and how many people are searching for this thing. All right. So terms such as AI agents, autonomous AI automation on Google Trends, Twitter, this topic is growing rapidly. That means this is a very hot topic and you can get started with all of these new technologies. Second of all, we're talking about is using AI agent tracking platforms. You can use tools such as Waifu, Cookie.fun, Sentiment Market to see which AI agent projects are gaining traction. So let's suppose we have one website which is Cookie.fun. So let's see what this web page will do. So basically it has all the new AI agents listed on this page over here. See, as you can see, the agents listed, top AI agents by mindshare for the last 24 hours. And these are the top AI agents we have today. So basically, you can use this to create AI agent projects. You know how many people are investing in this thing. You can just get a track of all these particular AI agents. Also, GitHub and white papers, real AI projects have publicly source code and frequent updates. So if you see an AI project with zero updates, that means it's a red flag. All right. So you can just simply check for a particular project if you want to. Let's suppose you're searching on Google on AI agents project. So let's suppose this is our AI agent project, and we'll just copy paste it from here. And then you can just simply ask ChatGPT whether this project is really running or not, whether this is true or fake or just uploaded in the internet. So just check, is this project really working? And then ChatGPT will just check if this project have the actual public source code or not, or frequent update. So let's see. That curates a comprehensive list of AI autonomous agents and agent building framework. So it means that, yeah, this code is really working, so we can get along with this thing. So once you find a promising AI agent project, the next step is to turn into a money-making business. So now let's look into how you can make money with AI agents. So now we have come to the most exciting part, which is how you can turn AI agents into a money-making machine. There are multiple ways to make money with AI agents, and I'm going to break down the best strategies step by step. So the first strategy is build and sell AI agents as a SaaS business, which is software as a service business, which is your passive income model. So one of the most profitable ways of making money is by creating an AI-powered automation tool and selling it on subscription model. How it works is basically it will identify a problem business face. Example, let's suppose a customer support or lead generation or resume application. So it will identify this particular business problem, and then it will build an AI agent that automates this particular task. And then it will access the AI agent as a monthly subscription. For example, imagine a company that receives 500 customer emails daily. So instead of hiring a customer support team, they can use your AI agent to reply instantly. For this, you can charge them for like around $100 a month per user. So if 50 businesses sign up, you can make around $5,000 per month passively. So building an AI agent that can automate customer support is a good way to go. So the best platforms where you can build AI agents would be Crew AI, Agency Form, or OpenAI API. Also, we have one more video on this, how you can leverage ChatGPT for customer support, how we are creating an agent to that. So we have a separate video for that. It's mentioned in the link there. So you can just check it. All right. So let's talk about the second strategy, which is you can tokenize your AI agent and then you can monetize it. That is the crypto model. So this is another innovative way to profit by attaching a cryptocurrency token to your AI agent. So how it works is basically you can create an AI powered platform. Users will pay with crypto tokens to access your AI services, and then you can earn a percentage of every transaction. For example, an AI powered trading bot that buys and sells stocks or crypto based on market trends. So users pay in tokens for AI powered trades. You can also earn a percentage of every particular trade. So as we have already discussed, see, these are the top AI agents: Virtual Protocol, Ori Chain, Humans.ai, and I think we have gone through this Cookie.fun. So basically, Cookie.fun, as I've already told you before, is a platform which will track and rank AI agents using metrics like market capitalization, social engagement, token holder growth, and also impressions. Now, moving on to our third strategy, which is you can invest in AI agent projects, the venture capitalist strategy. So, just like a venture capitalist, how they invest in early stage startup, you can also invest in an AI agent project before they go mainstream. So, what are the steps how you can invest in AI agent tokens? The first step would be you have to find early stage AI agent projects. The second step would be you have to research their legitimacy, you have to check GitHub, white papers, social activity, and then the third step would be investing before they gain mainstream transaction. And the fourth step would be sell when demand and price will increase. So, the best platform for such AI agent investments would be the first one on the list is Dex Screener. So just simply click on this link, Dex Screener, and here it will, it's a website that will track trending AI agent coins. As you can see, these are the trending Grok 3 AI, the agent coins, and these are the volume makers, how many people are making money by investing on these coins. So basically, Dex Screener is a popular analytical tool, once again, just like Cookie.fun, for decentralized exchanges, and it will help users to track trending AI related cryptocurrencies, including AI agent coins, and it will also provide real time data on price movements, trading volume, and liquidity across various blockchain networks. So basically, this platform is especially useful for investors and developers looking to identify emerging AI agent tokens in the crypto space. Okay, so next on the list, we also have Sentient Market, which will measure the AI agent projects over here. See, we have the agents. And so this is a platform that will analyze the engagement and adoption levels of AI agent projects. And it will evaluate user activity, interactions, real world usage to determine how well these AI systems perform. So by tracking engagement metrics, Sentient Market help investors, researchers, and also enthusiasts gauge the potential and credibility of AI-driven projects. So now let's understand whether you have to be really a tech coder to make money for AI agents or not. So even if you're not from a technical background, you still can earn money by making AI agents. You don't need to be a coder to profit from AI agents. So first of all, you can also sell AI automation services. So instead of just building AI agents, you can sell AI automation solution to businesses. For example, you can automate social media marketing, customer service, or email responses for small businesses. So as you can see, you can use AI in customer service automation also, machine learning for customer experience, multilingual queries. We have so many options from here. The second step is you can start an AI consulting business. So businesses need guidance on how to integrate AI. You can charge for AI strategy sessions and consulting services. You can also create AI content and monetize it. This is very important because content creators are making thousands of rupees per month just by educating people about AI agents. You can start a YouTube channel, review AI tools, you can sell AI tutorials and courses, you can monetize AI content with sponsorships and also affiliate marketing. Now let's look how DeepSeek can help to make money. DeepSeek AI is another powerful tool for making money online. Here's how you can earn profit. First of all, you can create AI generated video avatars for YouTube. So you can use DeepSeek to generate video scripts, use platforms like HeyGen to create AI avatars that present your content. You can also monetize videos through YouTube ads and affiliate marketing. So here we have this DeepSeek model, and we'll just see how whether it is good for content creation or not. So we'll just simply write me a video script on topic generative, let's suppose generative AI in 2025. And let's see what type of content does DeepSeek actually generates for us, since it is very efficient in creating content, building and monetizing websites also as well. So as you can see, the script is designed to be engaging, informative, and visually dynamic. So I've just given one prompt, and then here it has already, given me all the script. It knows how to make a script that I don't have to again write, making it engaging or informative. So I think it's really cool. Second is you can also build and monetize AI generated websites using DeepSeek. So DeepSeek AI can generate SEO optimized content, monetize your site using Google AdSense and affiliate marketing as well. Websites created with AI have earned around $21,000 plus in passive income. So you can proceed doing these things. Third is leveraging social media for AI generated content. You can create AI generated Instagram Reels, TikTok, Twitter threads. You can also monetize social media accounts through brand deals and sponsorships. Fourth one is you can also sell AI generated services on Fiverr as well as on Upwork. This offers AI-powered copywriting, marketing, or business automation services. AI freelancers can charge around $500,000 plus for per project. It can offer AI automation for small businesses. You can also help business automate content creation, customer support, and email marketing. You can charge monthly retainers for AI automation. The sixth one on the list is you can combine SEO with AI generated video content. You can rank both on YouTube and Google by using DeepSeek for blog content plus AI video scripts. Double traffic will give you double income. So as you can see how AI agents and DeepSeek are the future. AI agents and DeepSeek are changing the way people make money online. So whether you want to build and sell AI agents, invest in AI agent projects, use AI to automate and scale your income, or leverage DeepSeek for content and marketing, this is now your time to start. Also, a quick information, if you are interested in mastering the future of technology, then the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is your perfect opportunity. Offered in collaboration with the E&ICT Academy, IIT Kanpur, this 11-month live and interactive program provides hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Hugging Face as well. You'll also gain practical experience through 15 plus live projects, integrated labs, and live masterclasses delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. So you can find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.